Okay, everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Jima in the music again. I would love us to continue from where we ended the last time, and this time I would show you how to send all your events on your channel to send them to your mixer, and some basic things that you can do on your mixer to make your beat sound nice. All right. Okay, we can dive in at the moment. Okay, so this is my interface. This is my these are the loops that I have. I've sent them to the playlist view. Okay, so to send this audio, all the tracks, all these items on the panel on this channel rack, to send in this individual samples to the mixer, all you have to do is to right click and hover around till you've selected them all, or you can still do them individually, but for me I select all, then Control L. Yes, Control L will send every event here to the mixer. So let me do that right now. Okay, you can see that. Okay, it's been done. Okay, so now when I play them, you can now see the signals inside the mixer. Okay, I hope you can see that. Okay, so now to mix it, firstly I will explain the various icons here. Okay, for a channel, okay, if you want to mute the channel, you can always tap the button, or then this circular icon is for your panning. If you want to, right now it's centered, then you want to pan it to the left, you can double tap and hold, then move your mouse, double tap, hold, move your mouse to the desired direction. Okay, this icon is to reverse the polarity. For some, depends on this audio sample that you are using, the reversal of polarity can increase the gain or reduce the gain, so it all depends on the kind of sample. You can test it on various items. Okay, this is to swap the channels. That if it's a stereo audio, you can swap the left to the right or the right to the left, okay, as you deem fit. Okay, so this is stereo separation, so it is the original. You can always look at this panel, to hint you, but for now the stereo, this is the original stereo settings, but you can also make it stereo by dragging it to the left. If you drag it to the left, it's in stereo. Dragging it to the right is in mono. It's turning the audio into one sample. It's not hovering around the headset or your space. Okay, so you can always, for kicks, most times it's usually merged so that it will hit at the center. Okay, so then this is our fader volume, our fader, which is used to adjust the amount of volume. Okay, so right now there are no effects on this channel, so to impute any effect, you can always go to this area, then click the arrow. It all depends on what you want. Then you can click whatever EQ you need, or any gain or saturation or reverb or your delay. All depends on what you need. Okay, so now as an effect is being put on this channel, you would see this icon lit. Okay, so Then this is our record. In case you've connected an audio to your sound card, or you've connected an instrument, yes, and you want to track the audio, that's the direct current, so you can always click on this icon, then you can record from this button up. Okay, so that's the basic thing you need to know. Okay, then this arrow now shows us the route, like where you've routed your kick to. So we've routed it to the master channel. Okay, so that's why you can see this arrow. Let me try linking it to another channel now. Okay, let me show you how it works. Okay, so this kick, I can also reroute it to this place by tapping on any of this channel that I want, like this. Okay, you can see, so it sends a signal to this channel, then this signal sends its own audio back to the master. So right now it's linked to the master, and is linked to channel 17. Okay, so basically most times you can use it as a bus, another bus aside your master. So you can come to the kick, unlink it from the master, so it only sends, let me mute it. Okay, so you see that it's sending to channel 17, then 17 is now sending it out. You can see that if I mute channel 17, it has muted the whole sound, you get. So but if I link it back to my master, you can hear a sound here, then if I open this, it's going to be like it's having double sound, you get. Okay, so that's how routing works. Let me unlink it. Okay, so right now I'll just do a basic mix. Okay, firstly I just start individually, and align every sound with the kick, but the kick is the punch, so it's very important. Okay, so let's dive in. Okay, let's check the okay, it's punching enough, so I just want you to have this brightness. Okay, then I can give it a little bit of high. Okay, let's hear the shakers. Okay, I can reduce it. Okay, because the shaker is aligned with this rim shot and this rim shot. So firstly, let's drag everything down. So I'm selecting all by pressing my control, and let me do that again. Control, left click, and dragging. You see, control, left click, drag, so it would control each feather as one. So you can drag everything down individually, then start increasing them on your own. Okay. I need this shaker. Okay. This can ring out. Okay, for this one I'm going to pan it a little bit to the left, at least 40. Okay, then this other hand drum, I can pan it to the right, 40, so there will be a balance. Okay, then the hand drum. Let me pan it a little bit to the left, maybe 50. Okay, the clap. and then the final shaker to blend everything. Yeah, okay. Okay, then I can, as I've mixed everything to an acceptable level, then I can now increase, but I won't allow any of them to pass. Okay. Okay, this rim shot is ringing out too much. Okay, so I can always add an equalizer. Okay. So you can see that the highest gain is in this 5, so it is there, but it's not going to be ringing out. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to show you a secret. I want to pan this shaker, but I want the shaker to be hovering around a little bit to the left, a little bit to the right. So it's just a little tip that I usually, or trick that I usually use for the shakers. Okay, first there is this controller, pretty formula controller. So okay, I've put it as an effect on the shaker. So now I go to the this shaker pan button, click it, then link to controller. So I'm going to link it to formula control out, accept. Okay, so as it's playing, I'm going to set it. Okay, let me use our basic sign settings. So you can see now it's moving left, right, so it's too much, so I'm going to reduce it. Okay, this B controls the distance of the panel, then A controls the dynamics, how much to the left, how much to the right. So I'm going to leave it at central. Okay, let me leave it at 0.5. okay, so it's going to be at the center. Then C controls the speed. Okay, 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 you can see that. Okay, so this is just a basic tutorial on how you use the mixer channel, okay, to balance out your loops. Then when I send, or when I start imputing the sound, the different tones, then we can do more mixing before the beat gets done. So okay, please don't forget to like and subscribe and share, okay, because as it allows me to do more videos. Okay, and don't forget to drop your questions in the comment section, and I will do all to answer them in any of my videos to come. Okay, thank you, and catch you later next time.